OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, I'd like to demonstrate how you can select geometry by color. This makes your workflow very efficient and it's very easy to do. You can see that we have 3 different colors that have been used here, and let's say I'd like to select the purple geometry. To do that, head up to the upper toolbar and select the icon right here called Select All Entities by a Specific Color. At this point, you'll be provided with a color palette that only provides the colors that are available within the working area. If I want to select the purple geometry, I just left-click that color swatch and then click OK. And at that point, the geometry is selected. Why don't we alter that geometry and place it on a different layer? I'm going to click the Alter button, and for the layer name, I'm going to type in Slot. Just like that. Very good, so we'll click OK. And now we have a new layer called Slot that we can turn off and turn on again. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say that we'd like to select all the green circles. To do that, we'll go back up into our command, select all entities by a specific color. We're going to click on the green color swatch, click OK, and now all that geometry has been selected. Why don't we go ahead and give those circles a different line thickness? I'll select this thickness and click OK. And now you can see the geometry has been changed. Selecting geometry by color is a very powerful feature, and it's provided within all OneCNC CAD CAM systems. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.